Hi, this is Barry. I'm one of the co-creators of the DanceMaker app. You can get it for iOS or Android. Just go to the store and type DanceMaker, one word. If you don't have the app, go grab it and come on back to this video. Now that you've got it, you should see this icon on your device. Just go ahead and tap it. And it'll bring you to our home screen, which has a lot of options, but we're going to focus mainly right here on Make a Dance. That's going to take you here to our Save Dance scene. This is where we'll be saving dances, but right now we're going to make a dance. So we're going to tap on that Create a Dance on the bottom there. That's going to bring you to our word cloud page. You might see this screen if it's your first time opening the app. It's our instructions. For those that don't have a video like this, you can tap on it. We're going to focus here actually on this button here that says Theme. It's going to let us pick our theme. Now we can make a dance about anything. And there are a lot of ideas here. You might have some different ideas. That's great too. I'm going to pick an idea. We're going to do oceans for this video. So just tap on that, and that's going to bring me to the word cloud again, and just words for oceans. Now I'm going to start looking and picking out some words I like. I'm going to choose wave. Now I can pick up to 4 words. I'm going to pick splash, like splash. Let's get one more here. How about float? Love float. Now, if you have an idea for a word that's not on the list, you press this little keyboard down here, and guess what? You can put your own word in. How about a dive? You'll see it pop up there on the top. And what we have here now is our movement sentence. 4 dance words that put together make a dance. Now we're going to go ahead and hit next. And what you're going to see is probably a screen like this. We'll just tap on it, let it go by. And now we're going to decide what order we want the words in. I'll show you a quick little trick. If you look down here at this button, this means random. So we want to put these words in a random order. We can hit that button a few times and just see what it gives us. Now, I actually kind of know what order I think I want in, so I'm going to move this in the order I want. I want to start with wave, then dive, then float, then splash. That sounds great to me. So I've got my movement sentence. What I'd like you to do now is pause and take your movement sentence and come up with a move for each word. Maybe you're going to wave with your arms and then dive with your head. Perhaps you'll float around the room or splash with big jumps. Your job right now is to pick one move you really like for each of these words and make sure you've memorized the order and the moves. Once you've done that, come on back to the video and I'm going to show you what comes next. If you have your dance memorized, press next and we'll move on. Now you might see the screen. We're going to tap it out of the way. You'll see the first word in your dance sentence right here at the top. And you'll notice these 4 colored boxes below it. Each one is a different way that you can add a change to your move to make it unique. We're going to start with body, the blue one up here, and that's going to give us a whole list of ideas of different shapes we can make with our body or how we can use different parts. I'm going to pick in a wide shape and then press that, and you're going to see that we have wave in a wide shape. I'm going to hit this little button up here, and that's going to take me to my next word, dive. This time I'm going to pick something from the purple effort category. That's how we're going to do something. Let's do this one excitedly. I like that. We'll come back. I'll press that little button on the side right there again to go to my next word, float. Let's choose something from the green category. This is space. What we're doing in the physical space around us. Pathways we might be on. Levels we might choose. Let's do this one on a low level. And now I'll tap it one more time up here and I'll get our last word, splash, but I'm going to show you that special little button, random, works here too. And if I hit it, it'll start to randomly give me sometimes more than one thing. And this one looks fun. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to go with splashing with your shoulders in a punching way. I'm going to hit view dance, and there we go. You've got instructions for how to make your dance even more unique. We can wave in a wide shape, and then we'll take our dive and do it excitedly, and then we'll float on a low level. You'll see down here where splash, you've got those two different ideas. Now you can do them both at the same time or use that comma to make it two ideas, splash with your shoulders or splash in a punching way. That's up to you. Practice this dance. You can hold your device in your hand and read it to yourself, or get a friend or a family member and have them read it out to you while you dance it. Once you've got it memorized, add a starting shape and an ending shape, and you're ready to go. Now, dances are for sharing, not for keeping, so make sure you pick some nice music if you'd like to put with it and share it with somebody. After you share it, have a talk about it. What did it feel like? What was it like using the app? Would you do anything differently? Before you close out of the app, let's save this dance. Press the save button on the top right corner. It's going to allow us to give it a name. I'm going to call this Ocean Fun. Save that. And you can see now, way back at that starting screen we have, there's our dance, Ocean Fun, saved for us. Click up here and we'll come back to the home screen. Now, if you have any questions, just tap right here and you can contact us and ask us what you like. You can also give us any ideas you have or share anything you want to share. We'd love to hear from you. Hope you've had a good time making a dance with the DanceMaker app. Have a great day.